Alright, where's your machine? Under the cabinet where the coffee maker is.
There it is.
Scoop back, Cameron. Daddy's gonna get it.
What did you do? What did you do, honestly?
Alright, we don't need all that. We don't need the lid. Just set the lid to the side.
What's the lid for?
Okay, set that on the counter.
Okay. I'm gonna do the ice cream.
The blender
stick.
just, wait a minute, Cameron, let me show you. The blender thing, very sharp. It just sets right down on there.
Okay.
Alright, give me the other lid. Wait, Cam. There's this lid. Then we need the motor over there. Alright, Cam, go ahead. We're not going to make real big ones tonight. Just do about 3 scoops of ice cream.
Okay.
Scoop number 1.
Scoop number 1.
Get a scoop, second scoop. You need some help?
Uh-huh.
Let Daddy scoop it. That'll just be 2 scoops. We won't need any more than that unless Daddy's going to eat one tonight.
Daddy's gonna have one.
Okay. Big tub of ice cream at Kroger's, $4.99 for a whole gallon. Party ice cream. Okay. Daddy's gonna have one where I have to get another cookie out because these are bigger ones. So for that much ice cream, I would probably do 3 Nutter Butters and 4 Reese cups. Okay, you got 3. Get us another Reese cup. I'm gonna add just a dab of milk. You can always add more milk. You just want enough to get the liquid going. If it's too thick, you can add more, but usually not. Alright, Kim, just go ahead then. Drop in our cookies and our Reese cups.
Don't get.
Daddy's plugging in the motor part. Okay. Drop in our cookies. That's fine. You can do the Reese cups. That's fine. It doesn't matter which one. It's going to mix it all up. Drop it in there.
You can lay the wrappers on if you want more fiber.
Now kind of spread them out. Don't put them all on one side. Kind of spread them out in there. Okay. Goes there. Alright, then this lid goes right on. Straight like it is. And if you can help from getting ice cream in it while you're scooping it, it's nice. It literally just sits on there. It doesn't turn or anything. This sets this way. Plug it in. Alright, Cam, squeeze it.
Okay.
Over here, this side. You squeeze this side. Push it in. Keep blending. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to quit.
I'll do it.
Hey.
I can't do this.
Hey. Can you apologize for being hateful to your daddy?
Sorry, Daddy.
Squeeze it. It looks like you need a little help to me. Let Daddy help you.
Okay.
Watch it till you're able to see all little pieces in there getting blended. I think our ice cream had set out too long and was too soft. Maybe I have to put more in. Okay, stop it.
That's perfect.
Ice cream set out for a little while. It may be too thin.
That's perfect.
Oh no, actually it looks pretty good. Alright, so
I'm gonna see.
this piece
Yeah.
literally just lifts this out then.
Don't let it, it'll cut your tongue.
Yeah, don't lick it. Alright, so you saw, I mean, that didn't make a great deal. Just enough for a couple bowls for everybody. And there's the blender. Blisters, as Cameron calls them. Tell them, say, enjoy your blisters.
No, you do it.